Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add to your cart on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button that you see at the left side of the homepage and then proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be able to view the various different items that you can buy from AliExpress. Now browse through the various items, and when you find a product that you are interested in, you can directly tap on the plus cart icon that you see at the bottom right corner of the picture of this item. You will then see various details about this app. Tap on the add to cart button and this will be added to your cart right away. You can continue with various other products and add them to your cart by the same method by clicking on add to cart. Once you have selected enough products to add to your cart, you can then tap on the go to cart option to view all of this item, and you also have the option to remove any item if you wish. In order to buy these items, you will need to make sure that all of the items that you want to buy are selected and then click on the checkout button. Once you click on this button, you will need to verify your payment method and make sure that the shipping address is correct. Finally, click on place order, and after verifying your payment method, your order will be placed right away and you will get the delivery within the mentioned date. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add to your cart on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.